I feel we are set for another successful Users Exchange for Europe, Middle East, and Africa.
I believe we're all on a journey of digital transformation together. One that begins with a clear business case. It's enabled by revolutionary technology, but it's brought to life by a skilled and educated workforce.
The day after tomorrow is accelerating, but it has nothing to do with technology. It's about culture and risk. It's about strategy, ambition, and above all, about trying things.
Let's not underestimate the speed. Let's not underestimate the opportunities out there.